Last year, the good folk of Loxwood were invited to choose their new ruler. Would it be the fair Lady Helena or the cruel Lord Villian? Foul play was rife throughout the choosing-in, and Lady Helena was locked up in the tower, accused of theft and collusion with the notorious hooded gang. For now, life in the realm goes on, albeit with a new vigor for justice and cruelty. Both jigging and joking have been banned. The bailiff imposes his rule through strength and violence, all at the behest of our new monarch. There's a new king in town. Long may he reign.